Hello, my name is Karen. I am 26 years old. I live in Santa Marta. I am business administration student. I'm married for 4 years. I am friendly, responsible, and quiet. Currently, I work as an assistant in university. I arrive to work at 7 a.m. and I return home at 5 p.m. I am friendly with my coworkers. I have patience to explain the process as well as respectful. I love to play football, but I don't have almost time. Sometimes I go to swim on weekends at the beach. In my free time, I like walking in the park. I love cooking. I think I'm going to do cooking course. I don't like to diet because I love food, even though I take care of the portion. I'm a little shy to speak in public. I study English at night. I would like to travel to other countries. I'm going to study French next year. I will go to now Italy with my husband. I personally think that the culture and gastronomy is extraordinary. I will finish my professional study next year. In 5 years, I will I will be a acquired manager. In addition, I will have a specialization in marketing and business. I think I'm going to get these jobs and will be able to comply with all the assigned functions.